Hey guys, this is Learn PC with Sinet YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to make your PC, Windows 11 PC taskbar transparent. To that, you should firstly go to the Microsoft Store, like I am going here, and the Microsoft Store is changed, and now in here we should try translucent. You can see translucent TB. Click on that, and I have installed. Click on launch. After that, here is showing. You can tweak the taskbar's appearance with the tray icon. If it's your cup of tea, you can also edit the configuration files located at the location is there. In here you can, after, you should give the approve, yes, and now it's transparent, as you can see, like this. But if we open the start menu, it is it is again coming to the early way, and for search it's not coming, and for the apps also it's not coming, and if you need to exit, you can right click on here and you can click on exit, and here are some here you can see smart menu opened. Normal, here you can see opaque is there. Okay, now you will see it's opaque. Okay, we can change it from here like this. Start menu open, time keeping it normal like that. Here you can see it's normal, and again I will show another one, clear. We will see, just now it's clear. Like that you can make that settings. Here you can see show error peak always, it always, and here you can see tips and tricks is there. Then it go to the official website like this. Here it's showing a color picker is too there. It's a very good software. In this video I was going to talk about it only. Okay, we will meet from another video. This is Learn PC with Sinet. Goodbye.